We see them every day on our nation's highways, byways, and neighborhood roads. They haul, transport, deliver, and provide services and supplies. In the award-winning series, How'd They Build That?, each program takes viewers along for a behind-the-scenes look at some of the country's most renowned assembly plants. Sparks fly as robots weld, shape, press, and paint. See these trucks come together before your very eyes. Take a tour of the Seagrave Fire Apparatus Plant in Clintonville, Wisconsin. Come visit the International Truck Assembly Plant in Springfield, Ohio. Visit the IC School Bus Factory in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Visit the amazing McNeilus Concrete Truck Factory in Dodge Center, Minnesota. Get an up-close look at the process of building one of the most automated machines on the road. See how a garbage truck is assembled to efficiently pack and transport your garbage, keeping our neighborhood safe and clean. So start your engines and gear up for another entertaining episode of How'd They Build That?